Welcome to our vlog, where we are introducing our new product, OCONNECT, the AI-powered video conferencing platform designed to revolutionize communication. And the best part, OCONNECT is designed to be easy to use, even for those who are not tech-savvy. The platform offers a range of features that enable users to connect, communicate, and collaborate dynamically and interactively. Some of the key features of OCONNECT include polls. With OCONNECT, users can conduct real-time polls to gather participant feedback and make data-driven decisions. Questions. The platform also allows users to ask questions and receive instant responses, making engaging in discussions and brainstorming sessions easy. Virtual backgrounds. OCONNECT offers a range of virtual backgrounds to choose from, which can be customized to suit the needs of individual users and organizations. Themes. It offers a range of themes and templates that can be used to create engaging and professional presentations. Timer. This feature helps to keep meetings and presentations on track by providing a visual countdown of the remaining time. Prompter. It displays important notes and prompts to users, making it easy to stay focused and organized during online meetings. Calculator. The built-in calculator lets users perform quick calculations without leaving the platform. Reaction. The platform also includes various reaction options that provide instant feedback and responses to presentations and discussions. Call to action. It allows users to set up specific action items and follow-ups to ensure that meetings and presentations lead to actionable outcomes. With its user-friendly interface and 24/7 support, you can rest assured that you'll have the assistance you need whenever you need it. So, if you're looking for a video conferencing platform with the latest technology and advanced features to enhance your communication experience, look no further than OCONNECT. Stay tuned for more tech tools by ONPASSIVE. And, for more details visit www.onpassive.com.